Alright guys, welcome back to the automotive channel. As you can tell, we're working on the 89 Chevrolet Celebrity 2.5 4-cylinder. So we are replacing the fuel filter on this girl, and I don't think it's ever been changed. I don't know how long. She's got 256,000 miles on the clock, so I believe that's time if it hasn't ever been done. So here's part number. It is FF607DL, not a sponsor. Looks to be Fram, I don't know. It's supposed to be Duralast. Don't like Fram at all. Tools you're going to need is two small flathead screwdrivers, a 3/8 ratchet or 1/4 inch, 10mm either way, to get the filter off because it's bolted onto the frame. And it comes with all the kit. It comes with a new hose that goes from the tank sending unit to the filter this way, and actually goes this way, something like that on the car. But anyhow, you pop these caps off, and she has new clips. So, and I don't have that tool, so I'm going to show you a trick that I've used before over and over and over again. You take a small flathead, stick it in between, pop her out, and then you can get her out. So should work. Let's get underneath and do this. Alright, so right here is the fuel filter. Here's the disconnect. You disconnect it there, and then all around the car, around this way, is the other connection. So what I'm going to do is disconnect it here. Got my throwaway Dollar Tree pan underneath, and I've got it, I think, double layered. But anyhow, what the plan is to catch the fuel that's coming out. The car's too old to have a relay. Well, it actually has a relay, but to release the fuel in the system before you disconnect these, because fuel's going to come shooting out either way. But I'm just going to go in flying and get her done. I had to do this with two hands. Sorry guys, I just couldn't do it with holding the camera at the same time. Basically, the clips were so wore out, I actually pushed the tabs in with my fingers on the filter, pushed the line in a little bit, and then it popped right out from right here. I'm going to do the same thing with this one. So basically, you see the stuff in there. You want to take a brush and honestly get in there. See the dirt coming out. You don't want that in this line going to the injector this way, because there's only one injector or injectors depending on what motor you have in your vehicle. But you don't want that junk going back into the lining and then passing it through. So you want to make sure you get all this out beforehand. So basically just push in on the tabs and pull, and voila. It's pretty clean. Well, it is a little dirty, I see it. So, definitely time to be changed. That's for sure. Alright, so I hate the smell of gasoline. Next, you want to do, see where it says out? Out means towards the front of the engine. So you want to go this way with it. Out means that way. Don't do it toward the tank, or the car's not going to run when you get it together, or if it does run, it'll run crappy and you won't have no power. It's supposed to run this way, and it has an arrow, as you can tell right there, an arrow, and then out. And I believe the other side, it doesn't say an in. Some of them say in and out. Either way, so you take the little covers off like so, and make sure you got your out going the right way. Take your line down, take this guy, line it up like it's supposed to, and did you hear that click? That means it's in there. Then you're going to take your other one where you can't see what I'm doing and clip it to the other one till you hear the snap. And that one clicked in as well. You want to take your little 10 millimeter and put her back where she goes. Holds the filter up to the car. Alright, so now it's all done back together. You want to leave your panner in here. Yeah, it leaks. What do you expect for $1? Fire up the car and check for leaks. Roll the window down so it doesn't annoy you with it. I heard it. Fuel pump on this car is very quiet. And I don't see any leaks, so fire it up. I believe I call that a fix. There's no leaks. Take her down the road, check her out. If all else is good and there's no leaks, I call that done. It's pretty much cold, that's why she's idled up real high. Alright, so there's how you replace your fuel filter on your vehicle. This may be a little bit older, maybe a little bit different, but same thing of how you do the job. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the bottom. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you have the notification bell on so every time I upload, you get notified. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more. Have a great day or night.